Hey guys, today is Tuesday, July 4th, so happy 4th of July. And as you guys probably know, I'm in a pretty good mood because I am a US history freak, but don't mind my hair because I had it in 2 braids last night and now it's absolutely insane. So today for the 4th of July, we're actually gonna go to the beach. Alright, so I just got home from the beach. It's probably like 8 o'clock now, and I'm really exhausted. Don't mind my hair, it's up in like a bun. Was that what you'd call this thing? I don't know. But as you saw, I found this really pretty like metallic kind of shell at the beach, so I figured that I would just use it to put like my rings on like that, because they were just kind of like sitting on my desk, so I figured I'd do that. See, like, isn't that so cute? I don't know, I think it's cute. It's not gonna zoom. I mean, not zoom while I'm tired. It's not gonna focus. But I think it's adorable. Okay, so can we just take a minute and look at my legs? Okay, I don't know what's wrong here, but I have like little red dots all over this leg and a little bit on that one. I don't know what I did, if I'm like allergic to the salt water or whatever, but I don't know what to do about that. What did I do? So right now I'm gonna do some laundry because this is the current situation. Yeah, not good. Now it's like 11:30 and I made food because I'm bored and I eat when I'm bored, and that's a really bad habit. But right now I'm just gonna watch some Chop Jr., eat my food. Wow, that sounded really pathetic. I have no life, I need a life. So I know that it's 1 o'clock in the morning, but my laundry's done. Well, it's been done for a couple hours, but I'm lazy, so I should probably put that away. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then hopefully after that I'm gonna get some sleep. So now it's like 1:30 and I'm gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button down below, and I'm pretty sure I'll see you guys tomorrow because I think I'm vlogging tomorrow. So bye.